It's so cute though. Ah, it's so chubby. Okay, look at that. As Helicopter would say, it holds my hand crinkles. Hey everyone, so today I received a surprise squishy package from Orb Toys and I have absolutely no idea what they sent me, so I'm actually super excited to open this package. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Bye! So when I first opened the box, this is what I see. I see the 2 brochures for the new series of the Soft and Slow Squishies. This is the Galaxy Gang and it comes with a bunny, a Martian Kitten, or a silly Saturn. And they also have this Fantasy Friends series, which comes with the dragon, unicorn, and cloud. So I believe in this box they have some of these squishies, so I'm really excited to take a look at what they got me or gave me. So this is the first item I pull out of the box. It is so adorable. This is the Saturn, I believe. So adorable. It's so cute. And it feels soft even though I'm touching only the plastic part, and you can see that it's really slow rising. This is what the packaging looks like. It says Galaxy Gang. The back looks the same as any typical Soft and Slow squishy, and it is not in a resealable packaging. I don't know about you guys, but this is how I normally cut my packagings when they're not resealable. I try to create like a small hole and I try to cut as close to the edge as possible. I don't know, it's not like great, but I don't know. How do you guys cut it? Do you guys have like better suggestions on how I can cut it so it's less obvious? Whoa. This squishy feels so soft. Oh my goodness. This is like one of their softest squishies they've ever made. Like I go like this and it's already squished. Let me just smell it. And just like the other Soft and Slow squishies, it doesn't have a scent to it. Oh, that poof of air. And it's like uber soft, so look at how slow rising. And the little star here, I can like squish it. Damn. So slow rising. Their formula is definitely getting better and better, like as every series they've created. Like it's just getting so much better, and this can literally be squished into a pancake, I believe. Like, but I don't have the strength to do that. Maybe I can try it, but look at this. Okay, look at that. As Helicopter would say, it holds my hand crinkles. So beautiful. I feel like I can decorate this and make it hollow on the stars and everything. I just won't stop talking, I'm sorry. And this is the Orb licensing. It's not the engraved one. It is so cute. It kind of reminds me of Ketchup Geary's tomato. The next item I got in the box is this Martian Kitten. It is so adorable. Obligatory squish. Look at that. Packaging looks just the same. Says Galaxy Gang on here as well. Before I started filming this part, I smelled the squishy. It doesn't have a scent to it, and it's not as soft as the Saturn squishy. But the kitten is so adorable. It's holding a moon, I believe. I believe this is the moon. It's grayish blue in color. And the kitty itself, it's pink and reddish. I think it's pink. I'm not good with colors. Look at how slow rising it is. It's so adorable. It's wearing an astronaut costume and it's like ready to fly to the moon. Well, it's holding the moon, so it's not really flying to the moon. And it has the Orb China licensing at the bottom. What do you guys enjoy most in a squishy? Do you guys enjoy squishing it? Or do you enjoy like how cute the designs are and how you can just display them? I feel like I like them mostly because I can display them, but also I love slow rising squishies. They're just so fun to squish. So the last thing I got in this package is this unicorn from the Fantasy Friends collection. It is so adorable. It's so chubby looking. And I can definitely feel that this is a soft squishy, just like the Saturn that I opened earlier. Here is the big chubby unicorn. Oh my goodness. It's so adorable. And it's so soft too. Super duper slow rising. Every part of it is slow rising, even the horn. Look at that. So slow rising. So let me know down in the comments below what you think of this unicorn squishy. Do you think it's cute? Do you think it's kind of weird looking? I feel like it's cute because it's so chubby, but at the same time, I don't know why, but it kind of looks like, I don't know, a cow from this angle. It's so cute though. Ah, it's so chubby! I want to squish it! Look at that, holding my hand crinkles. I honestly do not know how to squish big squishies just because they're big and like, I don't even know. It's just, sometimes I don't know how to squish small squishies, sometimes I don't know how to squish big squishies. Let me know down in the comments below how you guys squish your squishies. So yeah, that is all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe for future videos. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Oh, and also I already announced my giveaway winner, and I have posted it in the comment section of my previous giveaway video, so the winner will be contacted, and if they haven't responded yet, I will be picking a new winner after 24 hours. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!